Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The Qaswa Qarnival is back for its third time. This year, it's going to be on the 2nd of December 2023. But unlike previous years, we moved the time a little bit. We're starting a bit later due to the heat of summer. So we're starting at 3 p.m., ending at 8 p.m. 2nd of December, 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. at the same place at the Cannington Showgrounds and Exhibition Centre.
Every year, the Qaswa Carnival has a theme. So the first Qaswa Carnival was the Medina of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, showcasing Masjid Nabawi, and then it's themed towards Medina. Last year, it was the United Caliphs of Islam, and we showed the Perth community, the various Muslim cultures, the various food, various activities, various delicacies from all over the Muslim world. And this year,
the theme is very close to our hearts. It is to Palestine with love. All our Qaswa Carnivals have always been fundraising towards building the Qarawiyyin Library at Qaswa House. But this year, the fundraising will be split between Qaswa Madrasa and also Palestine. We're sending money through MAA International.
yes, besides fundraising, it's Palestinian theme. So we have got various activities for children. We have got Palestinian-based craft. We've got kufiyah weaving. We have got loom bands making, flag making, the dua board,
And the dress up.
Palestinian dress-ups, and food.
And the whole idea behind this carnival is not just about fundraising. It's about highlighting the beautiful culture of Palestine, and the rich history, and also the delicious delicacies from the Holy Land.
And besides the Palestinian-based activities, we have got 20 over vendors selling clothes, accessories, home decorations, various services. We've got also 20 over other food and drinks from all over the Muslim world.
And while you enjoy your food and drinks, you'll be entertained by qasida, nasheed groups, poetry. We've got a stage to entertain you while you eat and enjoy the beautiful heritage of Palestine.
We've also got outdoor activities, our lawn games, bubbles for children, sensory play, soccer. There is something for everybody, from babies to grandparents.
So see you on the 2nd of December, 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. at the Cannington Showgrounds and Exhibition Centre.
To Palestine with love.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.